Antenno is the best way to get up-to-date information about the area in which you live or work. It also makes it easy to report issues, submit ideas, and send feedback to council. To get started, download the app from the App Store or Google Play and enter your places of interest. To do this, you need to tap on Places and enter each relevant location. Popular places to include are home addresses, workplace, children's schools, and batches. You'll begin receiving targeted notifications, including information about road closures, water shutdowns, and sport field closures. If you put your exact address in, you'll receive a reminder about whether to put your waste or recycling out each week, and will be notified of any changes to your collection. Council also sends information about rates, public consultations, and emergencies using Antenno. You can customize the notifications you receive by tapping options located beneath each alert. If you find a notification helpful, let us know by tapping Thank below the post. Tap Report It to notify us of any issues such as potholes, graffiti, dumped rubbish, or illegal camping. See our FAQs for more information.